Hi my blasted tech loves, how are you guys going? Today I'm going to show you how to turn your photos to PDF documents on your iPhone straight from gallery. So let's go. Of course, the first thing you're going to do is go into your photos album and you're going to select the photos that you want to turn into a PDF, any amount from 1 to how much ever you choose. Right? And then what you're going to do is click that little share button down below and you're going to scroll all the way up to print. Yes, you're going to select print, and print would create that nice slideshow that you see all your photos there. But what you need to do is actually pan, like as if you're zooming into one of your photos. Yep, and the magic just happened. It turns into a PDF right away. It really does. So you get to scroll. You can see that this is a PDF. Then here is where you're going to share it to wherever you choose. I've chosen to share it into the Acrobat Adobe file, and you have to select more and scroll up in order to get to that copy to Acrobat. And right in Acrobat I could do different things to my PDF, but you could save it. Basically you could send it in an email, you could save it, you could send it to WhatsApp, you could do just about anything with your PDF document from the time it is created. This is just an example that I showed you. Really simple. I hope this was helpful and helps you to be more productive. Alright, so thank you guys. It's really simple. Thank you guys for watching this video and take care. Bye bye. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys, happy Tech Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe, a thumbs up if you like this video, if it was actually productive, and share it with someone so that they could make their day more productive. How does that sound? Of course, right? So become one of our blasted tech loves by simply subscribing. Free videos, why not? Bye bye. Thanks for watching.